नहीं 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 फ्रंटल ओके एकदम सेम जो लिया था लास्ट वाला आई एम सॉरी फ्रंटल जल्दी जल्दी दिस वन लास्ट शॉट टू गो जल्दी 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 जल्दी
अभी
Yeah, just put me in the mirror.
पूरा 5 मिनट
ठीक है.
What is the most interesting thing about this place?
the age
It's large and it's empty.
The space.
it's old looks ancient
I thought that was something which I found fascinating.
At the same time, it gives you too many limitations and freedom as well.
it gave me the idea for the film I was making
Utilizing this large space was a challenge.
Limitation that is different about this particular space.
The idea is that there is a character in this space. This is the list of obstructions, restrictions. और इसमें से तुझे एक choose करना है अपने लिए. Mirror in every shot.
I have to be the central character in the story.
Yes. You are the only character in this.
I'm the only character in the story.
मैं कैरेक्टर खुद कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ, रिवील भी हो सकता हूँ.
one minute film
Yeah, total duration.
1 minute edit
1 minute.
मैं कुछ ऐसा प्लॉट सोच रहा हूँ कि स्टोरी ऑफ एन एडिटर who was promised to get paid something.
Karan time check
7 minutes. तुम पहले देख रहा है प्रॉप्स ऑफ कुछ एक्स्ट्रा ना उठा लूँ, मेरे को बहुत पेन पेपर भी दिख रहा है, मैं उठा लूँगा.
any limit on the number of shots Samar any limit on the number of shots
Can I break it?
हाँ?
तोड़ सकता हूँ इसे?
तोड़ सकते हैं.
Okay.
Please.
अब मेरी जेब में था, मैं स्पेस में हूँ, मेरी जेब भी स्पेस में.
इसमें कुछ सच में सिगरेट है? इसे मैं यूटिलाइज कर सकता हूँ?
please let me know when you start the time
तो एंड में वहाँ लेके जाऊँगा.
ठीक है, थोड़ा प्री प्रोडक्शन हो गया. स्टार्ट करते हैं.
मेरा बहुत लीनियर था स्टोरी एक ही फ्लो में जा रहा था शूट भी ऑलमोस्ट सीक्वेंस में ही किया था
I can recall the times when I shot these things.
Maybe I could have given it a little bit more stay, but I didn't have much footage.
but it was fairly simple it was about managing the attention span
You know, I haven't made it very heavy for my viewers or myself also, you know. कुछ मैं ऐसे तोड़ फाड़ दूँ यहाँ से ऊपर से नीचे से कुछ और मीनिंग कुछ निकले, कूलर शॉप 3-4 जगह, you know.
And the way the shots were taken were a little bit too fast for the mood that I wanted to create. But whatever I've done within the 1 minute, I'm satisfied.
apart from the visuals I'm happy the narrative I guess gets across I don't know you and the audience will see it the song we need subtitles for because only Amlan and JP will be able to understand go macro don't block the sunlight
Okay.
go low eye level
I'll give the expressions which you're going to capture from here only. तो OTS से मेरे expressions पे आ जाएगा.
Slightly toppish, then zoom out to reveal the hand.
Take a little नीचे से.
Opening this thing.
Okay.
And just taking out this thing.
Okay. Straight. एकदम straight. Flat frames. Take some of this. Okay.
मैं ऐसे देख रहा हूँ, इतने मैं नीचे रखता हूँ. When I come in the front. Now am I in the camera?
Which condition did you choose?
I chose where I won't be showing my face.
I had chosen the use of mirror in every shot.
The condition I chose, like I was just saying, the face not being seen.
I thought it would be a good way to explore a character, you know, tell you something about him without revealing who he is or what he looks like.
It worked with my idea of the invisible, the silent filmmaker. Also, the other conditions were to not giving me enough control on the film.
Make it little safe and see how does a build-up of a story come out, some drama thing, and that's what I thought. And that would have been best with a mirror.
I think it's about a lonely killer.
It's a casual take on how film was made. Cut. Take the shoe. Take the shoe. Take me. I'm smoking. थोड़ा दूर से cigarette shop ले लो.
Well, it is about this student editor. अगर ये कैमरा है तूने पकड़ा हुआ है, तो यहाँ से ये फिल्म मैं ऐसे नीचे खींच रहा हूँ रोल होके. मैं रिवील नहीं हो रहा तब तक.
He's depressed, he's lonely, he doesn't know what to do, but he has to do his job.
He is waiting for the news on the radio. At the same time, he is getting very curious, but the radio isn't sort of working.
The fact that we don't really need much to make film. You can do it with anything. It's the thought that counts. I'm going to walk past this radio over here. Wanted to make a frame.
The knife was actually the catalyst, but the other props were not that good enough in that sense for me.
ছেলেবেলার সেই বেহালা বাজানো লোকটা চলে গেছে বেহালা নিয়ে, চলে গেছে গান শুনিয়ে। এই পাল্টানো সময় সে ফিরবে কি ফিরবে না জানা নেই। গানলা আর একটা গান গাও, আমার আর কোথাও যাবার নেই, কিচ্ছু করার নেই। এই ফাটকাবাজির দেশে স্বপ্নের পাখিগুলো বেছে নে। গানলা আর একটা গান গা, আমার আর কোথাও যাবার নেই, কিচ্ছু করার নেই। ও গানলা আর একটা গান গা, আমার আর কোথাও যাবার নেই, কিচ্ছু করার নেই।
The purpose
Could be seen as something which is experimental, but it is not new. It has been done before.
to study the mindset of individuals
As far as I'm concerned, you gave me a chance to tell a story.
within the same space and within the same objectives.
No filmmaker is ever completely supplied with everything. There's always things missing. Fill in. Jugaad.
It was interesting actually. I wasn't expecting anything when I came here.
I was really excited for this one.
So I came with a blank mind.
So मेरे लिए it was very new. Even if I fail or succeed or I may come out with something totally senseless, but I have discovered something in myself today. You know, see that we'll see after the film comes out.
Within that small limitation, it was a very interesting, experimental and interesting for me. So I enjoyed it.
It's like because you don't have baby lights and multi-10 lights, you shoot in the day. That's not the easy way out. That's the best way available to you to make your film as good as you can, as close to your vision as you can.